Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Exhail, also known as Almalia, and on this channel we do Roblox everything, gaming, developing, outfit ideas, and so much more. And today we are back in Jailbreak. Now, before we get into what's happening in this video, I just need to address something what happened last season. Season 30, which was around Valentine's Day when I recorded it, I was level 9 and I didn't make it. I was one level away from level 10. One, guys. And I did not make it. I don't even want to talk about it, honestly. I really don't. It was a dark time. I logged in, looked at the season rewards, saw that I missed it, and I just sat there staring at the screen like, wow. So, we're not repeating that situation this season. Absolutely not. No. This season, we are getting every contract done. So, we're staying disciplined and we're reaching level 10 like responsible jailbreak citizens. Or shall I say cops today? Because today, I'm completing all my cop contracts for season 31. So, today, we are putting on that badge. We're putting on that badge. We're going to serve this city. And apparently rage baiting criminals without even trying. Like, listen, I was literally just doing my job in this video, just minding my business, completing the contracts. Like, it's my job in the contracts to arrest people, and somehow people are still getting mad. I wasn't trying to camp. You'll see a lot of camping in this video. I wasn't trolling. I wasn't trying to troll. Like, I literally didn't even text in the chat. I wasn't even chasing people that aggressively. I was just existing as a cop, and people took that personally. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're spawning in. Meanwhile, somewhere in the server, there are criminals thinking they're about to have a peaceful robbery today. Unfortunately for them, I am here. Almalia is here. Oh, hold on. Ready? Yeah, first arrest. Clean, beautiful, textbook policing. I'm a camper. What can we say? I'm just trying to get my contracts. Don't be mad at me. If I don't arrest people, I don't get XP. If I don't get XP, I end up like last season. So again, we're not talking about last season, but the memory is sealed away. But let's keep moving because I'm just trying to do my job. Anyways.
FBI, open up!
Anyways. Half the time criminals panic so hard, they basically arrest themselves. They'll crash into a wall, flip their cars, jump out, and then run directly into me. And I'm just standing there like, thank you, arrest. And there we go again. Another one. Y'all see how smooth this is? Professional. Meanwhile, the criminal is probably typing camper in the chat right now. Oh wait, it is a camper camping me. Listen guys, I don't care. I'm just here to play the game. Hold on guys, let me focus. Just watch and learn. gosh. Guys, do you see this right now? It's a crash out happening live and direct. Watch this, watch this.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Anyways, justice has been served. See, this is what happens when you commit crimes in a city that I happen to be patrolling, guys. All right. Looks like we're finishing up person for the contract to be completed. I'm not gonna lie though, the funniest part of this whole thing is the chat reactions, especially this one interaction with these girls. Because I genuinely wasn't even trying to rage bait anybody. I'm not trying to rage bait anybody. I was literally just doing my job. But apparently that alone was enough to trigger some people, which honestly just makes it even funnier. Alright guys, and that's all my cop contracts for today completed. Season 31 progress is officially underway. Next video, next week, I'm going to definitely be doing my well, I would have already done my criminal contract, but you guys will be seeing it next week on Wednesday. And that's all that I have today. And we're not repeating the season 30 incident, never again. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe. And if you want to join me in game, my name is Exhail on Roblox, spelled EXHAII, but it'll appear as EXHAIL. See you in the next one. Bye.